welcome back to my channel. I am Shreya and in today's video I'm back with a vlog. Now it's not a normal vlog, it's a birthday vlog. So by the time you might be knowing that I usually put up birthday vlogs of my family members because it's really fun and it's a kind of memory. So today is my mom's birthday. It's 9th of September today. So yeah. So I'm vlogging today. So basically in the morning I would not be able to do anything because I have my classes till 5 or 6 in the evening, so that won't be actually possible. So once my classes are over, I just get back to you guys. Hey you guys, so I'm just back and my classes are over finally, like it's around 5. So now the first thing that we're gonna do is make a cake, but before I do that I just want to show you something. So yeah. So guys, I just received this box today. It was outside for sanitization purpose, so I thought I'll just unbox this with you guys. So basically this box is from Soup Nutrition. So I'll just show you what actually it is. It's non-sponsored you guys, but because I received it, I thought I'll just share with you guys, and also I'm vlogging. So basically it's a personalized kit for you. So what happens is when you visit their website, they give you a form to fill, and there are many categories like diabetes, anemia and many more, like multivitamins and all that categories. So personally I suffer from low hemoglobin since a long, so I just went for the anemia wala pack. So then they ask you questions like personalized question set, and then they frame your tablets according to that. So these are very normal tablets like iron, multivitamins and folic acid, which almost every doctor prescribes. So when I open this box, I have like packets like for 30 days. They provide you this box for a month. Like this particular box is for 1 month. So they have like made this kind of sachet for 1 day. Like these are the tablets which I need to have for 1 day. There are 3 tablets, so it becomes very easy. If you're going out somewhere, you don't need to carry the entire box, just 1 sachet per day. So yeah, that's just good. I have 3 tablets. One is iron, one is folic acid and one is multivitamin. So yeah, that's really a good thing. And if there are people who are suffering from diabetes or just blood pressure and all those things, then they can just have their personalized kit of their own. So that was really great. So I thought of sharing with you guys if you just want to have it. So you guys, now let's just go and bake the cake. So my baking cake recipe is all like very same, obviously, because I just know that one. Still I'm just gonna incorporate it because that's the only method I know to bake a cake. Guys, so our cake is all baked. Now the only part which is left is the upper decoration thing. So now I'm just gonna go and do that, and we'll also have the cake cutting thing. So guys, I just ordered for a gift and it was going to reach here by 10th or 11th, and I was really worried, but luckily it got delivered today. And like that happens with me each time. So it happened with me this time even. So I have got it and I'm just gonna show you that when I gift it to her. So stay tuned. I'm really excited for that. Now let's just go down, decorate the cake, cut the cake, give the gift, and then I'll be back. everything is just over. Cake cutting is done and everything just got done. So it was a beautiful day. So I'll just show you the gift. I know you have already seen it in the video, but just in case it went out of focus. So this is the trophy. Yeah, I got a trophy. I know it's a bit fancy and not so thoughtful, but I just loved it, so I just bought this. And second, I got this ring. Like, I'll just show you this ring. Like, it's written mom here. Like, I hope you guys are able to see. It's a very beautiful ring. I'll have to keep my hand like this, otherwise it will go out of focus. And can you see on the O there are like diamonds here? Okay, you guys, so that was about the gifts, and I'm quite happy with the gifts, because sometimes what happens is when you order things online, things that you see and things that you get are just totally different. But that didn't happen in this case, luckily. Like, there was slight difference, but that's fine. I just was mentally prepared for that. Now the second thing which happened is I was editing a video which I shot today and yesterday. So it's that McDonald's food challenge. So by the time this video goes live, that video would have already been uploaded on my channel. So the thing is, today since morning I was editing that video. It's a long video, so it took me like the entire day. Obviously not the entire day. What I mean to say is it took a lot of time for editing, because my classes are going on, so I don't really good edit it at once. So I was just taking out 5-10 minutes in between and doing it. But what happened is, just before half an hour the entire footage got deleted. So I was really pissed off when the entire footage got deleted, because since morning I was just trying to edit that video, because I wanted to post it today, and I was just trying to take out little time, and I was doing the entire thing. First, the video is very long, so it will take too much of my time, and secondly, I don't have the time currently, so that's the reason I got very upset by that thing. But no issues now. I have nothing that I can do about that, so I've already started editing it, and I am gonna upload it today anyhow. So yeah. Okay, you guys, so I just uploaded that video which I was talking about. Took me a lot of time, but I just did it because I wanted to do it today itself, because for tomorrow I have another things. I have classes, I have this, that, so it doesn't really make sense to delay it. So I uploaded it right now, and yeah, go and watch it if you have not already watched it. And yeah, I just wanted to vlog today. I wanted to make a very short vlog. I don't know how short it would be, but it was a beautiful day. And yeah, now I just need to wake up early tomorrow, so I need to go to sleep. And yeah, that's all about today's video. I hope you guys would have loved it, and I'll see you guys in my next video.